just wanted to do a quick video to show that I actually finish some of the projects that I start. So here are the planters that I made from the barn doors that I saved. If you didn't see that video, then you would, or if you did see the video, you'll remember they were sitting out here in my way on this side, and then on the other side in my way as well. So I took and disassembled them. I took some sheet metal shears, also known as nibblers, and cut them to size. These are one solid piece here and one solid piece here, and then the height is what I actually cut. Kind of as if it were wood, it would be ripped them in half basically. And so it turned out real well. I am very pleased with it. Did some landscaping timbers around the base of them just to kind of give it a more finished look. I mulched up leaves. That's what's in it right now for next season. But the project turned out really, really, really nicely. What we have learned is that they look really nice, but if you actually take some vegetable oil and rub on them, it makes them turn into looking brand new steel and gives them a real nice little shine to them, and it actually stays for quite a little while. These have been built probably for, I'd say, the last month or so. I just haven't gotten around to doing a video on them. Just so much stuff going on, and just took a break from making videos as I tried to get more and more stuff done. But just wanted to do, just like I said, just an update to show that this did turn out as I had expected it. It was much more difficult than I had planned, simply for the fact that this sheet metal is so thin and razor sharp that the amount of wood that I had to use to make the skeleton was not quite twice what I was expecting, but a great bit. So, and holding this stuff up with one hand, trying to screw it in with the other, and laying it down, and I mean, I had help. My wife helped me, but it was more difficult, I'll just say, than it wasn't that, it wasn't unbelievably hard, but it wasn't as easy, I guess, as I thought it would be. But real pleased with the how they turned out. I think they look great. These are just going to be for flowers. This is what the wifey wants for some flowers, and so that's what it's going to be. Just really happy with how it turned out. Did take and bolted these together. They'll never move. Just wanted to really secure them so that just over time they won't, separate and have to re-level them and all that business. So did lag bolt them in, but once they're filled with dirt, it will actually be where you can't see them. But like I said, very pleased, very happy with how they turned out. And now I've got, I think 6 more of these I can build, but that definitely will not happen until next year. And I don't know where they're going to go, but I do have these finished, and I have all winter to figure out where I'm going to put the other 6. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I will put out another video when I have something more fun to talk about than just these boxes. Thanks.